Hi guys, today we're going to be solving a little issue that MacBook Pros have been getting, even MacBook Airs. It's when you have Bootcamp loaded, your screens don't get bright enough. I'm going to show you a fix for that right now. Let's get straight into it. First, go into the settings, then go into System, and then go into Display. All you need to do is uncheck this box. When you turn it on, it becomes very dark and it's impossible to see even if you put the brightness at maximum settings. As soon as this turns off, you can see a lot more clearly, and you can put it to all the way to a point where it turns off. Anyway, that was all for this very quick video. I hope to see you soon in the next one.